The Prosper credit card is designed as a straightforward tool for people who want more control and transparency in managing their finances, especially those who are just starting out, rebuilding, or hoping to avoid the common pitfalls of traditional credit cards. At its core, Prosper stands out for not requiring a security deposit, which is a big advantage for anyone who may not have cash set aside just to start building their credit. There's no annual fee for the first year, provided AutoPay is turned on, which helps keep extra expenses at bay as you adjust to using the card. After that, the annual fee stands at $59, so it's important to weigh whether the card's benefits and flexibility are worth this continuing expense for your situation. One appealing feature is the peace of mind that comes with instant access to part of the credit line, up to 50% right away digitally while you wait for the physical card, with the full limit becoming available shortly after. Credit limits start between $500 and $3,000, and Prosper actually reviews your account regularly for potential increases. Responsible use could lead to a higher limit without having to ask, which naturally helps your credit profile over time. On top of that, Prosper reports your usage and payments to the credit bureaus, so every on-time payment can help improve your credit score, a huge plus for people trying to get ahead. The card is also designed for convenience and learning. Everything from tracking spending to managing payments can be done easily through a mobile app, giving users clear insights into where their money is going. Plus, Prosper throws in free access to financial education, courses and resources that can help you make smarter choices and build healthier money habits. Fraud protection technology is built in by default, so users don't have to worry about unauthorized charges derailing their progress or causing unnecessary stress. For people who ever need cash in a hurry, Prosper does not charge extra fees for ATM withdrawals, although the ATM owner might, which is a rare feature in the credit card world. This flexibility is especially useful in case of emergencies or unexpected expenses when paying with a card just isn't an option. There are a few limitations and risks to keep in mind though. The annual fee after the first year does kick in at $59 unless you stick with AutoPay, which may not be ideal for everyone. While the card doesn't require a deposit or hit your credit score just to see if you qualify, as with any new credit, there is a minor drop in your score once you actually accept and open the account. Another thing to watch out for is that while credit line increases are possible, they aren't guaranteed, and regular reviews may mean the limit stays on the lower end for some users. All in all, the Prosper credit card is a practical option for people focused on building or improving their credit without jumping through hoops or dealing with hidden surprises. It's tailored for those who value simplicity, transparency, and want tools to boost their financial knowledge right from the app. For anyone considering Prosper, it's smart to use the card responsibly, take advantage of the first year fee waiver, and stay aware of the annual fee starting in year 2. While the card opens doors for more financial flexibility, it's always important to keep track of spending and pay on time to avoid setbacks and make the most of the benefits.